Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing brilliant. I hope you're doing alright. We're back with another vlog and today we're finally building the long awaited PC. I cannot wait to finally have it done. We've been waiting for ages to have this done because my PC is utter crap. So I hope you guys do enjoy today. If you do, then please do leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and tap that little bell so you never miss another video. And guys, I'll see you in a little bit. It's got to be us two, because you're building.
Yeah, it's got to be.
Yeah. And plus, I'm tagging you.
Yeah, you could do for the thumbnail.
Huh?
Make out?
No.
Black thing with a question mark.
Yes! He hasn't face revealed. I get the honour of doing it on my channel.
On my channel. Or my Instagram.
We forgot.
We did forget.
We kind of forgot to record an outro. We got a bit ahead of ourselves. We got the PC working. And then we didn't record again.
And then I went home.
With my Xbox.
Hey, game's the game. Game is
Um,
the game.
But yeah, as you can probably see, I'm going to get my camera angle right because it's going wrong. We're kind of in a different room. How many weeks has it been since we recorded? About 6?
7-ish, roughly.
But basically, if you haven't been keeping up with my Insta / Discord / anything else, you should be following / joining by now. Plus, follow him on, you know. And if he had a Discord, I'd say join it, but you don't.
Hey,
So.
in the future.
Oh yeah. I have moved house. That's why I've been away from streaming. And I now have this room as my streaming room, which we're going to give you a grand reveal about in a minute. But the point is, yeah, we forgot the outro. PC is built. He built it. I tried to help. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, then please do like, subscribe, tap that little bell, subscribe to Callum, follow us on all socials, join my Discord, not his because he doesn't have one. And without further ado, grand reveal of the room. You have the PlayStation, the Switch, the Alexa, the TV, which will be going up on a bracket. I mentioned it's still a work in progress, isn't it?
Very much.
That's why you should tune into part 2 when that comes out. That's right, this is an ongoing series. Who would have believed it? But, you know, we're bosses, so it's what we do. Anyway, back. Yes, so PlayStation, PC, gonna go up, TV, gonna go up on a bracket up there, work in progress. As you can see, lots of mess. My new Lego set I've got to build, mess, still in progress. Lego sets up there. I'm not going to give you an explanation on that just yet, because you got to tune into part 2 for that. Callum annoyingly stealing my chair. Boxes. Oh right, yeah. And then just, you know, if Callum just moves out of the way, the setup, the new PC, the old PC. Sadly, I think it's coming to its time of retirement.
It's a bit old.
Yeah, just a bit. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3. Currently, I've only got 2 working. That one I'm going to get set up, but we think it's possible.
We need a cable.
Yeah, we think it's possible to get a 3 monitor setup, possibly. But yeah, that's there. Then you've got the dog bed's going to go and stuff. That's temporary, etc. But you've got the mini fridge with the Cokes in it. Just I'm streaming a never-ending, endless supply of fizzy drinks.
I'm not sure about never ending, but I'll let you live your fever dream.
Stop blocking my imagination, alright? There's no need.
Hey, one day.
But hey, you know. But anyway, point is, that is the grand reveal of the new room. I hope you guys do like it. I said it's still a work in progress. You have to tune in part 2. This is going to be continually ongoing. More explanation on that in the new video. But thank you guys for watching. As I said, if you have enjoyed, please do leave a like, subscribe if you are new, tap that little bell so you never miss another video. Go subscribe to his channel, like his videos, tap his bell so you never miss another video of his. Follow us on both socials of everything. Join my Discord, not his. He doesn't have one yet. And guys, I think that's pretty much it. So,
hope you enjoyed.
Yeah. Him building my PC, me helping. Anyway.
Supervisor.
Yeah.
Electrician. Avoiding all labour. I'm just saying.
Not impressed. Goodbye, guys.